This is Busy Bee, and she was bred to Zoom. These puppies were born on Wednesday afternoon. It is now Friday, so they're about 2 days old. And they're doing really, really well. Biz is being a great mom. She's not having any problem at all in feeding all of them. Those little tails. As you can see, we've got different colors. There's a light one, and 2 mediums, and 2 of the darker ones. And the rest of the puppies are kind of medium in color. They're going to be very, very beautiful puppies. They're all very busy eating. It is July 1st, 2009, and it is about 6:30 in the evening. We just got back from the vet where Busy had a cesarean and had her puppies. She has 6 girls and 5 boys at this point. They're all doing pretty darn good. She's still a little under the weather. She's beat. So I'll come in and I'll rotate puppies so that everyone gets to nurse.